Hi friends, welcome to week 7. I'm just going to go over some of the things that we're going to be doing at home this week in case you're at home and you get stuck and you need to rewatch this to get some support. So, first at home activity this week is working on your map. You will get some class time to work on it as well, but we started those last Wednesday. This is why I put week 6 and 7 together in one folder because you need to utilize the map directions and whatnot. So, that is there. All the directions are in there. You can use Google as a resource if you need to. And then the next at-home activity this week is a judicial branch hyperslides activity. So coming up here, you'll see when we create our digital constitution foldables in class this week, we're going to be learning about the different branches of government. So this one is focused specifically on the judicial branch, and it's a hyperslides activity. So what that means is you're going to make your own copy of the slideshow. So I have video directions on how to complete the assignment here, so I'm not going to go into super big detail on how to complete the assignment, but you'll make your own copy of the actual assignment here, okay? So open this, it will say, do you want to make a copy? And you do, and then you'll watch this video and work through the slideshow, and then you can submit that in Schoology here when you're done. Just make sure that your link is not set to private or I will not be able to view it, okay? Our last at-home activity this week is our test, our new nation test part 2. Okay, so here's where you're going to find that. There's also a practice test in there if you want to do that as well before you take your test. That's probably a good idea. You already had a study day for this last week, week 5 we did that. The end of week 5 we had a study day for this to kind of start getting you ready for this. But I would do the practice quiz first, and then you'll be able to take the regular quiz. I will close the practice quiz by Friday, because I don't want you to look at that while you're taking your actual quiz at home. So you will not be able to access the practice quiz on Friday. You'll have to do it before that if you want to practice. And then I will open your actual quiz on Friday for you to take at home. Remember, there is a time limit on it, so you will not be able to Google every single answer. So it is important that you plan ahead and study ahead of time so you feel prepared, okay? Email me if you have questions. Otherwise, have a great week.